Prime Minister David Cameron welcomed the President of Somalia, Xasan Sheekh Maxamuud, to Downing Street on Monday. The meeting follows Britain's announcement to give almost £3 million in new aid for the African country. The programme aims to help young Somali graduates take part in internships, as well as providing food and support to tens of thousands in need of supplies. Mr Cameron says he's pleased to pledge his support for the country.
Britain's very proud of the role we played last year with our Somalia conference, to try and help bring the international community together and do everything we can to help Somalia rebuild and see economic progress, political progress, progress against terrorism in your country. And I think there are good things happening, good changes happening, and we're keen to go on supporting and helping in any way we can.
Because of this international engagement, because of this international engagement that's taking place under the leadership of the Prime Minister, things will be different in Somalia soon. And we are very much grateful and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.